So like most Flashforge printers, the Adventurer 3 is fully encased. So like the Inventor 2 and the Creator, it'll be encased in itself, not like a regular do-it-yourself 3D printer with exposed elements. Now that will somewhat shorten the build volume, right? So it's only 150 by 150 by 150 millimeters in comparison to some of the larger printers. But again, this is a heated plate, so even though it is a bit of a smaller print, it's a lot more stable. You'll very rarely run into any issues. So we grab our little trusty tool here and we slice in. Now the nice thing about Flashforges is they are very well boxed. You'll seldom get any damage. 3D printing. So the first thing you'll notice is we have our after sales manual. So if you do have any issues with it, that'll instruct you on everything you can do to get everything fixed up. We have a bit of PLA red filament, 1.75 millimeters. We have our trusty power cable. We have our tools, and you'll see a bit of tape on everything. That's just to make sure that it doesn't move around in the box while it's being shipped, so everything's nice and safe. Finally, we have our actual Adventurer 3. As you can see, it's quite bubble wrapped, so I'll just take all of this off and show you in a second. So here we can see the Adventurer 3. Now, after you get all that bubble wrap off, you'll notice that, again, it's very well kept, so there shouldn't be any damage. And what they've done is they've used a little bit of tape everywhere to make sure that the door hinge doesn't get undone or any of the parts come loose during the shipping process. The Adventurer 3 is all tape removed and all the bubble wrap's been done. The last thing you need to do is take out this little cardboard fellow right there, and that's keeping the nozzle heads nice and safe, so you don't have to worry about, again, shipping process damaging it. And you just want to open the door and just slide it out nice and safely. So the Adventurer 3 has a lot of great quality of life features that come with it. First and foremost is that it does have a removable plate, just like the Inventor 2. Now what you'll notice is the plate's a bit thinner than it was last time. And there we go. So again, a very nice thin plate, a bit of flexibility to it. You don't want to flex it too hard though, because it can actually break. But again, very easy to remove the plates off or prints off this, so no real worries there. And all you have to do is just slide it back in. So the nice thing is that, as I said before, it does come with a little bit of test filament. Now most are only about 200 grams. This is a 300 gram test filament, so you are getting a bit more bang for your buck. And what you want to do is open it up like that, and you can see a very easy to fit in area. And as you can see, nice tight squeeze. I don't have to worry nearly as much about filament getting loose because, again, it will be enclosed while it's printing. So fantastic little improvement there. So we'll take out filament. Take out that early part. And we don't like that. There we go. And I'll just turn the machine on. So once we have the machine on nice and safely, what we'll do is, after you hear that little tune that sings, you'll go to filament. And you'll see that there's a load and change section. I should note, please don't try to force the filament inside. It could break the machine. Please use this actual function. So I press load, and it'll start to preheat the nozzle safely, because again, you don't want to load filament into a cold nozzle head. And as you can see, it's a very fast extruder. It's already at about 100 degrees centigrade. So as you can see, it's printing quite well right now. And as we'll show you, is that it generally keeps to about 50 decibels while it's printing. And me speaking right now is about 88. So Generally, you won't have to worry about much noise pollution with this printer because again, it is enclosed. So you won't have to worry about, a print overnight keeping you awake or, it bothering you while you're trying to get work done. This is a very quiet machine. So as you can see, the print is finished nice and safely. So we open it up like that. And what we can do is take out the hotbed like that. Again, very easy to get rid of the print. And just pop it right off like that. And as you can see, printed nice and safely. And everything is as it should be. Now, I will note that this is available for $5.49 at meckystore.com. So if you would like to purchase your own, again, please check us out at meckystore.com, and we'll provide a link down below. Put that back in. And I should note, when you do want to put the hotbed back in, please press down on it so that it actually gets underneath the little covers right there. So you don't have to worry about it popping off during a print.